Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI. Now, as we enter cold and flu season, you want to make sure that your immunity is up to par. This is an awesome drink from Sambucol. So as you can see, it comes in a packet form. These are individual packets, so very easy to take on the go. You just add it with some water and you drink it, and it tastes like a really yummy tart juice. Now, I am not a fan of anything berry generally because I often find it tastes like cough medicine, but this does not. I actually really enjoy drinking this. Now, this has Sambucol Black Elderberry, which is known for its immunity boosting properties, and it's also packed with vitamin C, which we all know is also great. What I love about this drink is that you can have it when you're sick and it will target things like your cough, your throat, that sort of thing. Or you can take it as a preventative measure. We don't get sick very often, but I do find it really important to build up your immune system. So having this on hand is awesome. It's good for ages 4 and up, so the entire family can enjoy it. My husband cannot swallow a pill to save his life, and so having it in drink form is excellent. So whether you're sick or trying not to be, I think this is an excellent choice, and that's my point of view.